retarded ass motherfucker. Stupid motherfucker, dude. What the fuck is wrong with you, motherfucker?
Seems on fire today. Sit back down.
What is wrong with you? What the fuck?
Holy fuck! Okay, Garmin. Save video. Ooh.
Yo, are they okay?
Ooh.
Oh, there's an accident up there.
I just seriously pulled into my car and prayed for myself.
Every day. Yeah.
I don't know what they were doing, but part of me wanted to
I had to ride the elevator with Scott yesterday. I didn't have to, but I did because
Which Scott?
That's Scott.
Oh yeah.
Degrees in downtown Portland. It's 51 in Vancouver and 51 in Oregon City. Weather brought to you by Dr. Paul Okamoto at Masters Touch Chiropractic Clinic. Their goal is short-term care, long-lasting results. Call 503-224-BACK for a complimentary consultation.
It's now 6:19.
Whoa!
Gotta get a hold of my lawyer. Well, I haven't heard shit from her since then. Dude, what the fuck are we doing here? Jesus Christ. Idiot! And he's still trying to get up where he's trying to go!
That made you different. Yeah, go ahead and get your butt over the other leg. Yes, ma'am. You can make it better. God! That's all, yeah. They hit him! This is Jackie out the bed. They literally just hit him. They hit them.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Are you kidding me? You want to get like that? You ran a stop sign, buddy. You ran a stop sign.
Do this or you're fired. But the genius in markets like it is that it's thinking about what will it take to influence the marginal decision of the person waiting for a cab, of the driver, who's thinking about going out. It's really trying to affect their really next decision.
The amazing thing about markets is it
Respect your surroundings!
Maybe one. Because if you bring it out of the basket, I'm gonna clear out this, especially Everett. Yeah. How much fun